All right, look, the point of today's video is to prove that these are the best wheels in the world, and there are a few reasons why, especially today. I didn't really plan on filming a video right now. Just want to get some clips to post on Instagram, TikTok, and all that stuff, but it's something I kind of realized even more just now. Few reasons. One, my back wheel, the bearings are completely shot. And you're like, why is that a good thing? Reason why my wheels are good is because my bearings are shot and I can still roll really good. I can still roll perfectly fine. The wheels are so fast, the hollow core, the 120mm wheel is still so fast that even with terrible bearings, like these are completely blown out, I gotta change them. They're still good. Second thing, it is so windy. I went to film another video today, but I didn't go there because of the wind, and it's a little scary street spot that I don't want to do unless there's no wind. And there's so much wind going against me and I can still roll. These wheels are good. These are the best wheels. The front bearings is chilling, the back ones are toasted, and I've had these specific pair of wheels on for maybe 3-4 months now, and I don't have any reason to change them, even if I have new wheels at home. And I just got a package from Envy with a ton of my signature wheels in all colors, which I'm showing you right now. 110 and 120. The 110s only come black and white, and the 120s come in all different colors. And not only am I already riding the best wheels in the world, I got more. If you guys want a pair, the link is in the description. And I want to hear your comments about the wheel. What's your favorite color? What are your thoughts? If you have anything that you're like, let me know too, because at the same time we try to make parts for you guys. Obviously I just need a few pairs for myself, but more of you ride my wheel than me myself. Now let me know in the comments, maybe you have some dream color combos that you would like, and maybe by Christmas we can come up with some limited colors. You hear how windy it is? There's so much wind, there's now dust on my lens. We're at this spot right now, it's really smooth, and I just want to film and do a bunch of tricks and try some new stuff. So if you want to stick around for a good session right now, it's kind of where I'm at. I got the speaker blasting, play some music for you guys, and the point of this is obviously to show you the wheels, and you already know, but to see more of your comments. And as you're watching this comment, I want to hear your feedback. So take a second, grab a snack, watch this session right now, and enjoy. If you're interested in riding flat, I don't think it's always important to get in and out of tricks. I feel like a lot of times when you don't practice the hold first, you kind of feel anxious when you're doing the trick. I always like to practice the holds by themselves without even getting into the trick, sometimes getting out. But it's really important to practice the hold, because I've noticed, even in myself and other riders, when you try the trick without getting the hold really steady, the trick looks very shaky. Like you're just kind of trembling. It looks like you're almost nervous, and you can be nervous with the trick when you're in the hold and it's still new to you and you're trying to hold it and you're thinking about the landing. It makes you nervous and you'll shake, and you don't want to have those trembling feet, and something that doesn't make you look steady. It doesn't feel steady, and it looks cleaner when you're not shaking. I'm gonna do a few more tricks, a few more holds. I want to practice some new holds, and hope you're enjoying so far, and I look forward to those comments. To get that one better. I wanted to go into orbit, but that just kind of worked out like that. Before I do some of our last tricks in this video, some things that I really hope can work, I kind of want to give my insight why I think these wheels are the best, other than the current situations I'm in right now. The size, like 120 is just really good, and the urethane ends up being the perfect feel of urethane, where it's fast enough for the streets. You have plenty of grip for carving bowls, so it's the best all-around wheel. And obviously smaller wheels are better for certain things, more whips, and bigger wheels are better for more speed, more traction. But if you want something to be able to ride everything, I think this is the best wheel, and that's kind of why I chose to have my SIG wheel this size with this design. Hollow core looks sick because you can kind of have this canvas of artwork on it. You can see the New York skyline, and with all the other colors, depending on what setup you have, it's going to be a color that's going to look really nice in your setup. And if you can't decide, black and white is always the classic colorway, which is like usually happens to me. And they do come in 110 in the black and white, so if you do really want to whip fast and you want to have that fast rotation, if you're doing a lot of overheads and stuff like that, skate park tricks, then 110s will probably be the wheel choice. Argue in the comments. Argue and tell me there's a better wheel, and I want to know why. Don't just tell me why. Like, tell me what data you have to prove that it's a better wheel than mine, and if it is, then we'll have to come up with signature wheels that are even better than that one. I'm gonna practice maybe 2 more holds. I don't know about landing, but just 2 more holds. Something I thought of. I was like, we just did it straight just now. Imagine doing that backwards. That would be sick. And the other trick, wheelchair glide. I do it basically me going forward, but it'd be sick to try it fakie. Those 2 tricks would be completely brand new holds for me, so wish me luck. Oh, that's crazy that just worked. No way. Oh. The potential for new tricks is always there. You just gotta dig and find it. I knew that trick was possible. Anything you can do straight, you can always do backwards. So I believe straight tricks are always the hardest, or straight backwards tricks are always the hardest, and those are 2 brand new holds. So hopefully I can do them completely, and if you wanna see them, I'm probably gonna be switching to YouTube Shorts and TikTok for my new trick kind of stuff. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the short stuff every single day in the morning, and then obviously follow me on TikTok, which I think I'm this close to 700K. If not, I hit it already. That's crazy, so thank you for that. But I'm gonna do more cinematic stuff on Instagram, and my new tricks will be on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So if you wanna see where those tricks might be completely gotten into and landed, then that's where to look for it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts about the wheels. This is kind of the point of this video. I just, I made the wheels a certain way with NV just because we knew that certain things would be better for everybody. And then obviously today was just a big noticing point with my bearings being completely shot, the wind being insane, and obviously there's a lot of gravel and there's glass too, and I was able to pull all these tricks and learn new stuff too. So, I mean, the wheels really did justice, and if you think another wheel is better, let me know in the comments and let me know why. But appreciate it. Anybody who has my wheel already, tag me in some videos and stuff like that. I'd love to see it, love to share it. And if you guys want the wheels, link in the description. Thank you, Envy, for being such a supportive and having my name on the best wheels in the world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.